All right, so here's my question. So I noticed that when I drive, and let me see if you can hear it. So when I step on the gas, let's see. Like it just has like the I don't know if I'm saying it right, but like horsepower kind of feeling like vroom, like every time I press on the gas, every time and I'm holding it, it does it. And then so if I brake, I mean it's not doing it now, but okay, so if I press on the gas again, so I was just wondering, does that mean anything when I step on the gas like that and it has that vroom 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 sound? Any help, any advice would be helpful. Thank you.